Hey guys, this is our Bible story for today. We're going to be talking about how Jesus was born the next few weeks, okay? This is going to be found in Matthew chapter 1 verses 18 through 25. All right, so for many years God had promised to send his son to be the savior of the world. This promised son would take away the sins of the world. The people had been waiting for him for a long time, and they called this person that they were waiting for the Messiah, God's son, who would be the Savior. And so one day, God chose a very special girl named Mary to be the mother of his son Jesus. Mary was all by herself when an angel, Gabriel, appeared to her and started talking to her. Gabriel said, "Greetings, God has picked you for a very special job." I am sure Mary was scared. The angel told her not to be afraid and that God was pleased with her. He also told her that she would have a special son and his name would be Jesus and that he would be the Savior of the world. Mary said, "A son? How can this be? I do not have a father for this baby, and I'm not married." And Gabriel told her that God bore this baby and that he would be the Son of God. And so Mary agreed. All right, guys. Mary was supposed to be marrying a sweet man named Joseph. But now that she was carrying the Son of God, what would she do now? What if he doesn't believe me? She asked herself. And so thankfully, Gabriel also visited her friend Joseph. He came to him in a dream and told him to marry Mary because she was carrying the Son of God. He told Joseph to name the baby Jesus. Joseph could not believe it when he woke up, but he knew that this was the Lord, and so he obeyed.